Mapagpalang araw mga kababayan, narito po muli ang isa na namang kwento na tiyak na magugulat at mamamangha ka sa galing ng Pinoy. Ngunit bago ang lahat, pakiclick naman ang bell button at mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
Soledad coming in punches everywhere has gone down. Again, left and right, beautiful body punches. He put
a fire to try and take him out early.
And again, he looks for that body crack.
20 seconds, and like we've said before, Nadahook just had to weather that storm, I felt. But a man to the canvas.
Beautiful piece of a left.
Isang Pinoy prospect at undefeated orthodox fighter na si Reymert Soledad ay may angking galing at lakas ng kamao nito na kung saan apat na magkakasunod na laban ay round 1 lang knockout ang sinapit ng mga kalaban at hindi kinaya ang lakas ng Pinoy fighter. Samantala, si Reymert Soledad ay may undefeated record sa kasalukuyan na 7 wins, 5 knockouts at kasalukuyang AVF Super Lightweight Champion. Samantala, November 2024 nang maimbitahan at mapasabak sa laban ang ating pambato sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya dito ang Thai boxer na si Luem Wangklaklang. Sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi pinagpawisan ng ating kababayan dahil ilang segundo lang na magsimula ang laban ay knockout ang sinapit ng Thai boxer sa kamay ng Pinoy.
Southpaw against an orthodox right now. Saplum in the southpaw position and Reymert in the orthodox position. So it's going to be a battle of the footwork. Who can get their lead leg on the outside of their opponents before sending that power shot? And already a great shot landed by Reymert. Took the words right out of my mouth. And he just set up that shot and it looked like a body shot has put him down to the...
Panalo si Reymert Soledad by a first round technical knockout. Samantala matapos lang ang 17 araw ay dumayo at napalaban agad ang ating kababayan na kung saan isang knockout artist, Thai fighter ang pinagtapat sa ating kababayan na si Nahatuch Paharn o mas kilala bilang si Nahatuch Singh Manasakjin. Sa laban ng dalawa ay muling pinatikim ni Soledad ang lakas ng kamao nito nang inakaut nito sa unang round ng Thai boxer.
Round 1 underway.
Big right hand landed already by Reymert to the body. And I've seen Reymert fight many times. A very strong fighter, very calculated, very stiff with his shots. And we can already see it there. Going down low with a big right hand, swinging upstairs with those left hooks already.
Very strong shots early on from Reymert here. Nahatuch just got to be careful when he punches. He's leaving those hands low.
And that's the interesting thing with a body puncher as well. Every time they go down low, they run risk of their fighter even just moving or blocking that shot, and then obviously an accidental low blow, which is exactly what that was there. Great counter punch there by Nadahook though.
I think this is what he's looking for when them hands are low. Doesn't always choreograph those shots, just enables him to be able to throw like that. Good counter hook there from Reymert.
And you can see Reymert slowly just lowering the tempo right now in comparison to the first 20 seconds. And like we've said before, Nadahook just had to weather that storm, I felt. But a big right hand puts him man to the canvas. As we were saying, he's calming down. An explosive action puts Nadahook Singh Manasakjin to the canvas. And he's up already. Will we see the Filipino fighter try and take him out early?
And again, he looks for that body, cracking body shot. That just echoed throughout the arena there.
What side of his opponent, but then as soon as the body opened up for him, I feel like every shot he threw upstairs was just to open the body for him. So here's Peter Denver.
Panalo si Reymert Soledad by a first round technical knockout. Samantala, matapos lang ang 2 buwan, February 2025, ay balik Thailand ulit ang Pinoy at kung saan hinarap niya dito ang isa na namang Thai fighter na si Sakda Langkabam o mas kilala bilang si Sakda Manum Chaijin. Meron ditong record na 10 wins at 7 knockouts. Samantala sa laban ng dalawa ay 3 beses na pinabagsak ng Pinoy at tinapos nito sa unang round ang Thai fighter.
left by Soledad upstairs. Another left by Soledad, countered by them. To the body by Soledad, left and right one, so by some. Left, I Soledad. Another one with the right. He's put him down. He's going to go down for an 8 count at least here. Soledad's coming strong. Okay, they come back in. Soledad is hungry. He's already hungry, Soledad. A left by Soledad. Left with his body by Soledad. Left and right to the body by Soledad. Again, left and right, beautiful body punches. He put Manaputchai Jim down for the second time. He's gone down for a second 8 count. Here we go again. Soledad, left and right again, left and right, left to the body of Soledad again. Manaputchai is trying to defend himself, but he can't. Soledad's coming in very strong, throwing punches everywhere here. Left by Soledad. Another punch to the body by Soledad with the right. Manaputchai is trying to defend. He's trying to left over the top. Soledad, left and right again. Again, he's going for the right part. He's going to the midsection of the body. Soledad again to the body. Left to the right to the body. Again to the body by Soledad. Soledad coming in punches everywhere. Manaputchai Jim has gone down 3 KOs.
Take some photos, please. Vice Consul Susan Fremis Sabadov and also Mr. Oliver Ivan.
Manalo si Raymart Soledad by a first round knockout. Samantala, nito lang Mayo 31, 2025 ay muling naimbitahan sa Thailand ng ating kababayan upang paglabanan ang AVF Super Lightweight title na kung saan isa na namang knockout artist ang pinangtapat sa Pinoy na si Hatupol Raksafet. Ang Thai boxer ay may record na 4 wins, 4 knockouts, habang si Raymart Soledad naman ay may undefeated record na 6 wins at 4 knockouts. Samantala sa laban ng dalawa ay gustong makuha ng Thai boxer ang titulo at para hindi siya mapahiya sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan ay nakipagsabayan ito sa ating pambato. Ngunit round 1 pa lang, knockout ang sinapit nito sa lakas ng suntok ng Pinoy.
10 rounds of action scheduled. We've got a southpaw against an orthodox. The classic warfare of the lead leg, the jab and the backhand. The fighters biding their time.
Explain that a little bit more, Jimmy, because it's more than just the lead leg. What do you have to do? How do you have to anger yourself up?
Well, you've got to remember, when you get that lead leg on the outside of your opponents, it allows you to step closer in and land a more powerful shot. But here we are, both fighters just absolutely going for it in the center of the ring. Neither wanted to take a back step there, Ali, just absolute swinging for the fences. No one expected something like this. Raymart and Jatapol to just start firing at each other.
Yeah, Jatapol taking more hits than the Pinata, and the left hook cracks him right down to the canvas. Jatapol doesn't look like he's going to recover. Referee's at 7, he's at 8, and that is it! Raymart Soledad improves his professional record, his undefeated record, to 7 victories right there. Really fast and furious start for Raymart Soledad. And it was the left hook that got the job done for him in the first round.
Panalo si Raymart Soledad by a first round knockout at matagumpay na nakuha ng ating kababayan ang AVF title belt. Wow! Nakakagulat ang husay ng Pinoy. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Maaari kang magbigay ng komento sa ibaba at pag-usapan natin yan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik. Huwag din kalimutang mag-like, subscribe at pakishare na din po. Hanggang sa muli, God bless!